ওয়েলকাম টু ফিটনেস টিপস। ফ্রেন্ডস, আজকে আমি আপনাদের পুরো সপ্তাহের ওয়ার্কআউট প্ল্যান দেখাবো এবং কোন কোন ব্যায়ামগুলো আপনারা করবেন সেগুলো আমি আপনাদের দেখিয়ে দেবো। সো যারা আমাদের চ্যানেলে নতুন তারা অবশ্যই আমাদের চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন এবং পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি বাজিয়ে দেবেন। সো চলুন দেখে নেওয়া যাক। 4 week জিম ওয়ার্কআউট প্ল্যান আন্ডার বিলো। Tips before we start. In week 6 days workout, take one day rest. 8 to 10 minutes. Do body warm up before workout. Do 8 to 12 reps in each set. Increase the weight from set 1 to 3. Take 1-2 minutes rest in each set and take sip of water in some intervals. 8 to 10 minutes. Do starting after workout. Take help of trainer or friends support. Saturday chest workout. Number 1, bench press. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Dumbbell fly. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Parallel bar dips. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Pig back fly. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Ice Kabbli fly. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Low standing Kabbli fly. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Standing Kabbli fly. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Sunday back workout. Chain ups. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. T-bar row. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Seated Kabbli row. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. 1 arm barbell row. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Bent over 2 arm dumbbell row. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Isolated seated rows. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Monday bicep workout. Seated incline dumbbell curls. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Easy bar curls. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Dumbbell alternate bicep curls. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Hammer curls. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Concentration curls. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Reversed curls. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Tuesday tricep and abs workout. Kabbli tricep push down. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Lying barbell school crusher. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Kabbli triceps extra. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Tricep kickbacks. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Kabbli high pulley overhand tricep extension. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Single arm Kabbli push down. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Abs workout. Incline bench leg raises. 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Incline cane raises. 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Hanging leg raises. 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. High pulley rounds, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Decline sit-up, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Dumbbell side bend, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Wednesday shoulder workout. Front cable raises, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Plate front raises exercise, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Bent over rear delt raises, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Cable front raises, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Seated reverse dumbbell fly, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Lateral dumbbell raises, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Dumbbell hammer front raises, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Thursday, leg exercise. Incline leg press, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Leg extension, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Stiff leg deadlift, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Barbell lunges, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Lying leg curls, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Seated calf raises, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Friday, rest day. Rest time to recover muscle and continue on next day. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.